Here, you want to help her?
Let Mama help you.
Here, do you want to just stand next to her?
You have to read it for her.
Okay, do you want to stand next to her?
No.
Strawberry shortcake.
Okay, it says,
I'll help changing.
is a very fun age to be. Happy birthday. This is Love Grunkle. And it says, to my little future golf partner.
Just wait a minute.
And this is for your piggy bank.
Well, there's another card.
I know.
Yeah.
She's on a roll. Ooh, magic tea party set.
Set?
Right.
That's neat.
Says the birthday girl is turning 4. Carrots so it can be such fun, and birthday should be too. Especially for a birthday girl.
Can I have a tea set?
You have a tea set.
That's
Yeah.
from Pansy
You
and
want to
Grunkle.
see it?
That's nice.
Open the rest of your presents and then we'll
Yep,
open
yep.
it, okay?
Yep, we'll set it over on the
We'll
table.
open it after.
Yeah, she wants to open it now, but we're
Oh,
done.